Hi, my name is Levina from Indonesia. To all the teachers and students in Ningbo, I wish you a very happy new year. May the new year bring you good health, success, and happiness. Our biggest takeaway is the critical role of teamwork and technology in achieving sustainability. Leveraging tools like AI has taught us how to address complex supply chain problems efficiently while prioritizing eco-friendliness.
Of this program is to providing an advanced learning and teaching environment that facilitates young generations who would like to advance their future career in supply chain management.